Oh, hey, 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 look at what we got. You know what? So this is Crazy Ken's clearance sale. We're going to sell all these e-bikes. This is the Mooncool TK2 E-Trike with reverse, obviously. Let me just tell you about the features of this. All these, I have 5 that I'm going to show that I'm selling. I want to give you folks an opportunity to buy them if you wanted. They all have less than 5 miles on them. And unfortunately, the warranty is not transferable to any of them. But let me tell you about this one. This one has a 1,000-watt peak power motor. And it does have the reverse. Has 4 or 5 modes of forward speeds. Has a horn and everything. So this one, the retail is $1,399. Mooncool 2, TK2. I'll put the links in the description box for each e-trike or bike. So the retail is $1,399. I'm selling it for $800. Adjustable seat and all of that stuff. Really nice bike, e-trike. Has up to a 60-mile range, reverse mode, 15 miles an hour top speed, which is plenty for a trike. All right, let's move on to the next one. And the Viribus FC1 e-trike. This does not have reverse. Let me just show you the features of this. But who needs reverse when you can just back it up, right? Viribus FC1 folding e-trike does not have reverse. Retails for $1,299, and I'm selling it for $700. That's probably the best value for an e-trike. 48-volt battery, 14.7 amp hours, 750-watt motor, 400-pound capacity. 20 miles an hour maximum speed. I wouldn't go over that because, especially if you have to turn sharp, it's not good to be going fast with these. The Vika-x folding e-bike, Blix brand. Let me just show you some of the features of this one. Step through, of course. So this is a really unique bike. It weighs 55 pounds, the lightest of probably any bike I've ever had. It does fold. There's a 48-volt battery, 8-speed shifting, and it supposedly is an automatic shifting setup as compared to regular, like a Shimano shifter. Range up to 70 miles. 20-inch all-terrain tires. It's really an in-town bike. It's not designed to go off-roading or anything, really. But it's a nice little bike for commuting. So the retail on this is $1,799, and I'm asking $900 for this one. And again, the link will be in the description box. It'll show you videos of all of these from assembly to actually operating them. Okay, just to sum up. So we have the Mooncool Trike, Viribus Trike, the Blix. I always call it a Blix. Can't remember, the Vika-x, something like that. Again, there'll be the link in the description box. I'll put the price with each one, just so you can refer to that, or you can just watch back through the video and see how much each one was. I know a lot of you folks, this doesn't even apply to you, but there are a lot of you in New England area, where I could maybe meet you partway or something if you wanted. Germany's probably out of reach for me. UK, you know, Canada even is a bit far from me. So anyway, just a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're interested, just email me, and I'll leave a link for that at kenskarpentry@aol.com. Carpentry was spelled with a K. Okay, see you later. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.